Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And so today I am bringing you an update of the Facebook Business Manager issues, problems with postings, etc. This will be one video of many. They have changed their interface several times. As you can see, I am on their new interface. I don't believe I have the option to go backwards to their old interface anymore, but this is what it looks like if I'm on a page that I manage. And this is one of the pages I don't really ever use at all, but I do use it for testing and things like that. So wanted to give you guys an update and kind of show you what they've done thus far. Now, if you have any issues with the posting thing, I would assume that they have gotten rid of it because the options are no longer there. But it is a little bit confusing as well to just be able to find the business manager because they keep changing. It's almost like they just don't know who they are. They keep changing these settings. It can be very frustrating if you have to use Facebook on a daily basis, or if you manage people pages or business pages and stuff like that, like I do for other companies and corporations and stuff like that. Look, they don't give you updates of the change. They make changes and you just don't know about. They do have a little bit of, I don't want to say identity crisis, but they do have some things they need to work out because they keep making all these changes. But anyways, let me show you guys how to get to the business part of your site. Now, if you come here, you can see as I'm on the page, this tab automatically opens up because I manage the page. And so what happens is I go up here and I can click right here, we see Business Suite. I can click on Business Suite and it's going to open up a whole nother page that looks totally different. So once you get here, it's going to have some information, messages, stuff like that. And then what you can do is you come over here, you're going to see notifications, you're going to see inbox, you're going to see post and stories. Now, if you're not familiar with this part right here, post and stories, then this is where you can actually create more content. It'll actually give you access to the Creator Studio as well on a desktop, which the way they've done things, it's just made it very complicated, but it's okay. And then you have your commerce, calendar, ads, etc. Now here down at the bottom, you'll see settings. And so once you click on settings, you still have this tab over here. And then you're going to come here to your page. Now here is where you have the similar page that is on the last video. You have your business assets, and then you're going to have more business settings. And you come to more business settings, and this is where you'll find the similar page set up here. And you come down, you'll see everything, partners, people who manage. You can toggle back between pages up here. Then you're going to come down to the same thing where you'll see business info. Click on business info, and bam, you'll see you're on a very similar page. But one of the things you will notice is you do not have the option where it talks about being able to create posts and things like that. But what you do have is you do have the options, the other options available here, people and notifications, where you can turn on, etc. You still have that at the very bottom. And you can see I can't even scroll or go up anymore or whatsoever, but it is there. So that is what that page looks like now. That's why I have not really bothered to do an update, more so because, you know, they've changed up all the settings for it. So you do not have access to that setting in that particular space anymore. And so that's what it looks like. But I would assume that no one is having any more issues with being able to, you know, post on their page. If you are, feel free to drop a comment below and what exactly issue you're having, and I will see if I can help you out, since I regularly navigate through this business settings and see if we can find wherever your issue may be. But you can find options for, you know, allowing people to post, etc. is here underneath people. And if you come over and you see where it says pages and even Instagram account, if you see this, if you click down, then you have these toggles that you can use, and you can go down here to do all access. And then you can also do the same thing for Instagram. So that's where you can actually find some of those settings at. But all right, guys, that is the update on that particular, you know, how to navigate through. And I will be doing some other videos to show you how to get to other parts of, you know, the confusing and ridiculous changes that Facebook are constantly making. All right. Great company, nothing against it, love the company, but they just make a lot of, silly changes. That's just what it is. So, all right, feel free to like and subscribe. Tell me if this has been helpful, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.